Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving deep into the ATEC 64GB DDR5 ECC UDIM kit, specifically designed for select DDR5 servers and workstations. Now, right off the bat, it's crucial to understand this memory is not for your everyday desktop or laptop. This is serious hardware for serious workloads. This kit packs a punch with two 32GB modules, operating at a speedy 4,800 MHz, or PC 5-38400. The ECC unbuffered UDIM design is a key feature, ensuring data integrity and system stability, which is paramount for server and workstation environments. It's a 2RX8 dual-rank configuration, adhering to the JEDEC DDR5 standard of 1.1V. What does all this mean in practice? Well, if you're running a server or workstation that supports DDR5 ECC unbuffered memory, upgrading to this ATEC kit can significantly improve system performance. We're talking about increased workload capacity and reduced bottlenecks, allowing your machine to handle demanding tasks with greater ease. Think smoother simulations, faster data processing, and an overall more responsive system. The installation is straightforward, as you would expect from DMM modules. However, it's absolutely vital to ensure compatibility with your specific server or workstation model. Memory compatibility can vary greatly depending on the system and its components. ATEC emphasizes the importance of verifying compatibility and following memory channel guidelines to achieve maximum performance. Mixing different ECC types, such as ECC registered or ECC load reduced, is a big no-no and can lead to system instability. ATEC also stands behind their product with a limited lifetime warranty, which provides peace of mind. Their support team is available to assist with any questions or concerns you might have, which is always a plus. In conclusion, the ATEC 64GB DDR5 ECC UDIM kit is a solid choice for those looking to boost the performance and reliability of their compatible DDR5 servers and workstations. Just remember to double-check compatibility before purchasing to ensure a smooth upgrade experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.